Hello students, shall we move to the exercise number 7? Exercise number 7, page number 288 in your book. This is also a common size income statement, but we are going to compare two limited, that is two companies. One is Maria Limited and Kala Limited. In previous question we just you make a statement for a company itself. But here we are going to compare making common size statement income to compare two companies the same type of business. We are carrying same type of business. This is a question for you. From the following particulars of the Maria Limited and Kala Limited, prepare a common size statement, income statement for the year ended 31st March 2019. This is a question for you. Particulars, Maria Limited, Kala Limited is given. Revenue from operations 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Other income 10,000, 30,000. Expenses 70,000, 1 lakh, 20,000 is given. You have to prepare common size income statement for the year ended 31st March 2019. You know this, I want to explain this question. Revenue from operation is known as sales. So we have to add revenue from operation and other income. So you can get total revenue. Then you have to subtract expenses. Then you have to subtract expenses. Then you can get profit before tax. Revenue from operation will be take as base. Okay. Shall we do the sum? Yes, I am having question with me. Take your question. That is question number 7. Okay. I make some column for you. The heading is common size income statement of Maria Limited and Kala Limited for the year ended 31st March 2019. Particulars, absolute amount, percentage revenue from operations, absolute amount and percentage of revenue from operation. Here you have to write, Maria Limited, here you have to write Kala Limited. I forgot. Okay, Kala and Maria. Okay, you have to mention here. Okay, good. Shall you do some? Listen here. First of all, you have to write the particular column. You know the particular columns. You have to, first of all, you have to write the revenue from operation. So I am writing revenue from operation. Revenue from operation. The amount you have to write, that is 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. 1 lakh and 2 lakh. You have to write in absolute amount column, not in anywhere. Next, we have to add other income. The other income is 10,000, 30,000. So I am writing 10,000, 30,000. Then you have to add, this is known as total revenue. The total revenue is 1 lakh, 10,000 and 2 lakh, 30,000. I got the total revenue. Then we have to less expenses. Expenses, the expenses is 70,000 and 1 lakh 20,000. So I am writing 70,000, 1 lakh 20,000. So I am getting here, what will be the answer will be 7, 4. Okay, 40,000 and here 1,10,000. We can write 1,10,000. So, this is known as profit before tax. This is known as profit before tax. Okay, then I am going to make the percentage revenue from operation. Here I am going to take this 1 lakh as base, here 2 lakh as base. Okay, we are doing the sum. Listen here, 1 lakh divided by 10,000 divided by base, that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 100. Okay, here 10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be 10. Okay, then this answer, this is base, so I am writing 10 here. Okay, then 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 1 lakh is base into 100, then you will get, what will be the answer? 110. So, I am writing 110. And here also we can make like this, 17,000 divided by 1 lakh, then the answer will be, can you say 3, then 70. So, I am writing 70. Can you follow me? And last one is, it's very easy for you. 40,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100, then you get 40. So, the answer will be 40. Okay? This is the percentage of revenue from operation. Like that, when we compare to the color, we have to take this 2 lakh as base. So, I am writing as 100, base is 100. Then can you do the sum? Yes, can we calculate? Yes, listen here, 30,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100. Okay, it's very easy for you. You can calculate. This is 2 times, so 15. Okay, that is 15 means 1, 5. Right? Like this. Here also 2 lakh 30,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100. Can you do this? Can you? Listen. 3 times. This is how many times? 1, 1, 1, 5. That is 1, 1, 5. You can do like this also. Otherwise, you can make subtraction here itself. Next, 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100. Okay. Then what will be the answer? 3 times this time. Then 60. Okay. So, I am writing 60. Right. Next, last one is, the answer is 55. You can make like this also. இங்கே கூட என்ன பண்ணலாம், சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. இங்கே நீ பண்ண ஆன்சர் வரும், இப்படி பண்ணாலும் உனக்கு ஆன்சர் வரும். We can do like this also. Okay. Okay, this is the answer. Can you follow me? It's very easy. When we compare, from this statement we came to know revenue from operation அப்படிங்கிறது மரியாவுக்கு 10%, 100% இருந்தால் அது இன்கம் என்ன இருக்குது, 10% இருக்குது. அது இங்கே கலாவுக்கு 15% இருக்குது. எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா கலாவோடது மரியாவோடது 70,000 இருக்குது, கலாவது 60,000, 60%, not 60,000, 6%. ஸோ ப்ராஃபிட் பிஃபோர் டேக்ஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா மரியாது 40%, that is கலாது 55% இருக்குது. We can compare like this. So, this is known as, this is one of the method to compare, analyze two companies. 2 company 2 business நான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், அனலைஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஒவ்வொரு கம்பெனியோட ஒவ்வொரு சேம் டைப் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ் நடத்துகிற 2 கன்சர்னோட கம்பேரிசன் தான் இது. தட் இஸ் கம்பேரிட்டிவ் காமன் சைஸ் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். ஓகே.